Question 8. A florist had some roses and tulips. She sowed 1/3 of the roses, 4/9 of the tulips. 7/11 of the flowers sowed were roses. What fraction of the flowers did the florist sell? In this question, there are 4 separate fractions or 4 separate wholes. You can visualize it this way. This is one whole. This is another whole. This is another whole. And this is another whole. And they are all separate wholes or separate fractions. Now back to the question. 1/3 of the roses, this is one whole. The tulips is another fraction. And then here, the flowers sowed is another separate fraction. This part of the statement, it says that 7/11 of the flowers sowed were roses. That means the total units for the flowers sowed is 11 units. And out of these 11 units of flowers that were sowed, 7 units were roses. If 7 units were roses, that means the units for tulips that were sowed will be represented by 4 units. So 4/11 of the flowers sowed were tulips. Let's start off with this fraction for roses. 1/3 of the roses were sowed. There are 3 units for roses, and 1/3, which is 1 unit of the roses, were sowed, and 2 units were left. For tulips, there were a total of 9 units, and 4 out of 9 of the tulips were sowed. So we have 4 units sowed, and 5 units were left. Now, the 1 unit for roses may or may not be equal to 1 unit for tulip because they are separate fractions. Now we are told that 4/11 of the flowers sowed were tulips. So we have 4 units here that are sowed. And roses has to be 7 units. Hence, we have to change this 1 unit to become 7. We times 7 here. This becomes 7 units. And 2 units, we need to times 7. That's 14 units. And now the total units for roses becomes 3 times 7 will be 21. And now the model for roses and tulips fit this part here as well about the total flowers sowed. The total units for flowers sowed was 11 units. From here we can see 7 units of roses sowed, 4 units of tulips sowed. So the total units is 11. And this is the completed model. What fractions of the total flowers did the florist sell? So the total units will be 21 plus 9. And that gives us 30 units. And she sold 11 units out of the total 30. So the fraction sold will be 11 out of 30. And the answer to this question is number 3.